First, grab any USB keyboard or mouse you have lying around. Plug it into the USB port on the side or back of your Sharp TV. Once it's connected, you should see the cursor or keyboard start working. Now, go to the Settings menu, then Network, and select Wi-Fi Setup. Choose your network, enter your password using the keyboard, and you're done. Step 2. If your TV is already connected to your phone's hotspot, or it was once connected to your Wi-Fi before, you can use the Sharp Smart Remote app on your phone. Download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Make sure your phone is on the same network as your TV, and you'll be able to control it just like a regular remote. Step 3. Many HDMI devices, like Fire Stick or Chromecast, have something called HDMI CEC. When you plug one of these in, the device remote can often control your TV's basic functions, like power, input, and navigation. Use that to go into network settings and connect your Wi-Fi. Step 4. If none of those options work, use a simple Ethernet cable. Connect one end to your router and the other to your TV. Once the TV is online, download the Sharp Remote app or use a mobile hotspot to switch back to Wi-Fi later. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips.